Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. So sometimes it's the trades that make you no money that are your best trades of the day. I'm going to get to exactly what I mean here with examples in just a second. Before I get into the video, hit the thumbs up. It helps the channel continue to grow. We're just about at 2,000 subscribers. So let's get over that level. And if you're new, subscribe, obviously. And yeah, let's get right into it. So today, once again, the market was up and then it comes back down. Same thing happened on Friday as well. And all I'm looking for is to try to take advantage of these moves. Now, you can see here that I had 5 trades. So 5 orders, 2 contracts each, and I had 13 canceled orders. What does that tell you about where my mind was at today? And, to be honest, 5 trades is too many. So taking 5 trades is maybe, 1 or 2 more than I would have liked to. And, while we still made 132.50 here, not bad overall. But then the trade that saved my day was almost the trade that ruined my day. So if I didn't take a break-even trade here, and I'm going to show you, let me just maximize this screen. This trade right here. Now, what was my thinking on that trade? We were at VWAP. Okay, we had VWAP being resistance here in the early going, came back down, supported it, got a very nice push up. And at this point here, we are still making higher lows on the day. So when I get in here, this is the type of trade that I'm looking for. So this sort of double bottom area. That is what I'm looking for maybe a bounce. And it happened to be right at VWAP. So I went long. We had RSI really looking oversold at this time. So I thought, okay, this is going to be a good time to get a nice bounce. Now, when I'm looking for a bounce, I'm only looking for a few points. So that's what, I was looking for at the VWAP. That's why I got long here after a sell-off, still making higher highs. Higher lows on the day at this point. It then breaks down here. Once it did that and popped back up, I took my trade off for a very, very small loss. I lost 1/4 point. So on 2 contracts, that's nothing. The commission is worse than anything. But if I would have held this 10 minutes later, my whole day, instead of 132.50, is going to look either break even or negative for the day. Very, very important. Can't stress this enough. Extremely important to take those stop losses. So this trade right here, this break even or very small loss, as much as we hate to do it, because at this point, why couldn't it continue to go up? Well, it did something here that, to be honest, it never should have done. So when I didn't see that strength coming in, that to me just told me, get out of the trade. You waste a little commission, you lose a little bit of your profit, but that's the way to trade smart. Because this drop here from where I sold 117, in 10 minutes, came down 20 points. So that is enough to ruin an entire day. So, keep that in mind when you're trading. As much as you hate to do it, as much as you hate to take those stop losses, just do it. So if we look at this on a 30-day chart, this is the Micro E-minis. This is what I've been trading a lot. I get to trade it before the market opens. I get to trade this at 4 a.m., 5 a.m. Those were my first trades today. That's why I like to trade this futures. It works for my schedule. So looking at it on a 30-day time frame, we have a level of resistance. Okay, descending resistance right here. Just going to make this red so that you can see it a little bit better. On Friday, we came right up to this level, right up to this trend line, and rejected hard. So this is a legitimate trend line. 3 touches, came back down, and then tried to pop up this morning. So today's trading hit 42.40 twice, rejected. The second time the rejection at that level was a game changer right here. That rejection from pre-market highs right here, this double top, has sent the market straight down. So these are technical plays. A lot of these are technical analysis, areas where you may consider either getting short or getting long. When the market's this weak, I don't usually like to go long, which right here was a bad decision, but I explained why I was doing it. We were still in an uptrend for the day, but we did hit that previous pre-market high here. So that's why I just cut this really quickly. Not every trade is going to work out. Not every day is going to be a green day, but today, very happy with this 132.50 of profit. Now, the rest of the week, I don't know, with everything you have going on with the FOMC, the war, and everything else. We could check it out right now what the VIX is. The VIX has been over 30, dipped down to 30 here, and then just came right back up. Got down to 29 right here on Friday, came right back up. So as far as I'm concerned, when the VIX is this elevated, I am going to get in and out very quickly. I don't care if I leave money on the table. I don't care if I have 13 canceled orders. This is all very important in day trading. And that's also why, taking your stop here, saved my entire day. So while it probably wasn't the best idea to trade something this week at the moment, I explained the bounce off VWAP still didn't make a lower low. And that was my play. I was looking for a few points. It didn't happen, took my loss. So that's it, guys. 132.50. A couple of things, to take from the video is when you're looking at a day that was so positive to go so negative. You never know when these things are going to happen. A lot of times what we see during the day is we'll see a sell-off in the morning, which is what we got here, and then we'll get a nice bounce and a rip higher. And then at 11 a.m., that's when a lot of, if you're down for the day, a lot of times the market will look to bounce at 11 a.m. If you're up for the day, a lot of times the market will pull back at 11 a.m. So you need to know these times, to get a better gauge on the overall market. So that's it, guys. Really quick video. Take your stop loss. It's sometimes those trades that you make no money on that were your best trades of the day. So thanks for watching. See you back tomorrow with another one.